Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Nevada, local and long distance movers near me. Looking to relocate to Nevada, Iowa? Unsure of how to make the move effortlessly? Your search ends here. Allow Nevada local movers to work with you in this exciting transition. Nevada local movers possess unparalleled knowledge of Nevada's layouts. We expertly navigate through narrow streets and tight corners, ensuring your cherished belongings safely reach your new home. Ready for a seamless transition beyond Nevada's borders? Long distance movers require special attention to ensure your items are safe and sound, whether within the state or border. With an excellent planning, Nevada Long Distance 3 Movers will craft a tailored approach considering the distance and unique challenges of the journey. They'll safeguard your belongings during transportation, providing you peace of mind. We'll also offer transparent pricing so you know exactly what to expect. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Nevada moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.